How to fix TikTok randomly logging you out problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such problem where your TikTok randomly logs you out after you log in multiple times, so this is a common issue in most of the TikTok application, and it might be caused due to the bugs available in the application or due to lack of update. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for TikTok application itself. And once you search in for that, just make sure you have updated your application. If there's any update available, you should be seeing the update button under this blue button, and just tap on that update button to update the application, TikTok application, to its latest version, so that you can avoid any bugs or errors causing such problem on your TikTok. And once you do that, just head over to your devices settings as well, and simply scroll all the way down and click on apps and just search in or locate the TikTok application itself. And once you're inside here, scroll down and click on storage and just clear all the cache so that it frees up the memories which might be causing such problem regarding your login. And just try relaunching the TikTok application and re-login with your account, and your issue should be fixed. And if your error is still not fixing, then just head over to your Anywhere browser and simply search in for the website that is support.tiktok.com, and you should land on this page. And from over here, just click on report a problem over here, and just scroll down and click on this online reporting form. And from over here, just describe your issue with your particular topic as well as your username, your contact details, and simply click on submit. And this will respond to your issue soon to fix your issue successfully. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you on the next one.